YouTube. What's happening? Gang, how we do it, But about to get a truck a little tuned up, you know what I mean? Got a new distributor, got a plug, what this is, wire. Oh, that's that knock sensor, wire, harness, whatever you want to call it. Got the knock sensor. What that is? Yeah, that AC too. Yeah, finna go on and got the screw, the rotor button, plug, wire, knock sensor, harness. Finna go on and straighten it on that. Just wanna let y'all know what I'm finna do. So that'll be a little unboxing or whatever, Just in the corner over here where I keep my little junk, my little mess at. Some more there, don't get too mad. I just try to keep it out of sight, out of mind. But yeah, man, we finna start. I'm finna give y'all a little more of that Tahoe footage. I don't know what I'm doing. Y'all please don't judge me. Yeah, but hey, get back at y'all on that next clip.